welcome to another episode of Mixology Monday. Today we've got an easy drink for you. We are making a special drink. We are making a watermelon basil mojito. For this drink, you will need the following items. You will need our Basil Carolina Rum. Very awesome rum here. One of a kind, our first export. Smooth, slight sweetness, basil infused. It's wonderful.
Delicious. Yeah.
You're also gonna need watermelon, club soda, and lemons. So, let's get this drink started. First step. What's the first step here, Jake?
We're gonna do 2 ounces of our basil rum in each glass.
Yes, sir. Tom Cruise.
As always, start off with 2. If you want a little bit more, go for it.
And the young generation's gonna be like, why does he say Tom Cruise? Watch the movie Cocktail.
Now I'm gonna borrow this, and we're gonna do 2 ounces of watermelon juice into each glass.
So we got this watermelon juice at Walmart. It's not in all the grocery stores. It can be kind of hard to find. It's in some, I'm sure.
Some, probably,
but
Walmart for sure is where we
for sure at Walmart.
Well,
Yeah, what's the next step here, Jake?
we're gonna squeeze half a lemon into each glass.
All right, half a lemon going in the pot. Half a lemon equals around half an ounce of lemon juice.
Yeah, if you just have juice, that's fine.
I mean, it's not as good, but it's good.
Not as fancy.
Not as fancy, but it'll work. So, half a lemon in each glass. And we're using mason jars here, but this is pretty much the equivalent of using a pint glass at home.
Yeah. And I'm just gonna top them up with soda water to finish off the mojito.
Cool. I'll give her a stir.
Yeah, please do.
Stir. We're gonna stir this drink to incorporate all the ingredients.
Add a fancy little garnish.
And there you have it. That's our watermelon basil mojito. Super easy, super refreshing. Just a nice drink, you know? It's just something different. So check out our Mixology Monday playlist on YouTube for more drinks and options for all of our rums. We've got lots for the basil rum in the summertime, or you know, even hot drinks in the winter. Yeah. Along with drinks for everything else. And we have playlists that kind of sort everything out. The recipe will be in the description below, along with links to our social media and places where you can buy our products. You can find us in your local liquor store. And if you don't see us, we ask you to ask for the products. It's how we get there.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Cheers, folks.
Cheers.
Yeah, that's an all-dayer right there.
It's tasty.
That watermelon and the lemon. Yeah.
Hey!